Welcome! Today we will talk about the brand new Fujifilm 16 to 80 millimeters f4 lens, which is also a WR, meaning water resistant, and OIS lens. This brand new lens is, let's say, the little brother to the 16 to 55 f2.8 that you see here. And as you can see, the size difference is not that much. What is really different is the weight. That you need to trust me, because it's impossible to show you the weight, to let you feel the weight of the lens on a video on YouTube. But when we talk about the sides, even though this is beefier, this is kind of the same size. Aside from that, let's focus on the subject of today's first impressions video. I bought the lens yesterday evening, and I only had like a half hour this early morning to test it, and another hour or so in the afternoon. So this is really first impressions on this lens. And I must say that I'm positively impressed from what I've seen from the screen of my camera and from a quick view on the computer, because the lens seems sharp. The stabilizer seems very effective. I shot a 1/10 of a second at 80 millimeters, and the shot was sharp. Color seems very good, and even the resistance to strongly backlit situation seems very good as well. You'll see some pictures at the end of this video, and this is going to show you what I'm talking about. As I'm saying, this is first impressions. I will need to test this lens out a lot longer before coming up with a full review on the lens. When it comes to balance, so I guess this is better balance on an X-T3 as far as body goes. I will show you on an X-T10, because my X-T20 is recording me right now, and without any help on the hand grip, the lens seems a little bit front heavy. But I use, for example, I use my X-T20 with an additional grip that helped me balance the handling of the camera, and in that case it feels more than okay. It feels a lot better than the 16 to 55, just to make an example, just to give you an example. And the autofocus seemed fast and accurate. And what else? I will need to test this out. I will bring it to Iceland at the end of the month, and I will probably I will record my review on this lens after that, for sure. I want to test this lens out for a while before coming up with a full review on the lens. But I wanted to share my thoughts with you. Thank you, and see you in the next one.